The eitton Robot Vacuum 4000 PA LiDAR offers a remarkable 45 days of hands-free cleaning with its self-emptying feature, ensuring convenience and time saving for users. Equipped with advanced LiDAR technology, this robot vacuum precisely maps and navigates your home, significantly enhancing its cleaning efficiency by 70% compared to traditional models. With a powerful suction capacity of 4,000 pascals, it effortlessly removes dirt, dust, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. This versatile device combines sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, and self-emptying into one comprehensive cleaning solution, making it an all-in-one household assistant. The smart app allows you to customize cleaning schedules and designate no-go zones, providing a tailored cleaning experience for every household. Supported by a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support, the eitton Robot Vacuum 4000 LiDAR ensures peace of mind and reliable customer service.